This is a repair attempt for Keith and Traci Meloni. Claim number is 0689513017. As you can see, this is the damaged tab that we're going to be attempting to replace. There's several across the entire roof. You have several on the front slope, very sporadic everywhere. You've got several on the rear slope that are missing, creased, really everywhere. So we're going to be doing a repair attempt on this front end gable extension. This would be the front left slope. Again, this roof is 20 years old. It's a 20-year 3-tab composition shingle, and Allstate seems to think that we can repair it. So we're going to attempt to do that. I was going to do it on this slope, but this slope is a little bit worse. So I want to do it on a slope that is not, essentially this is the north-facing slope. This is the opposite slope. So the sun cast over this slope, so this side's more deteriorated. And I didn't want to have to stop in the middle of the repair video because the tabs are breaking off from the ones above it. So I figured we'd be better off on this slope. So we've got our shingle underlined here. And what we're going to do is obviously unseal to see where it starts. Just here. 3. Just to verify. Yep. All right. So that's going to be the shingle. We're going to unseal the ones above it. All right. Oh, nail pull through. Didn't even get the shingle bar underneath the nail. Again, I'm being gentle. I'm trying to get the shingle. We're just pulling right through. Let's try this. Oh, there's that one. So, there you go. Little to no effort because of how bad the shingle is. Pull through, pull through, pull through. There's no nails. As you can see, that's the damaged tab. One thing I do like to point out is if you flip this over, see this on the back of this shingle. Material asphalt transfer to the mat. Material asphalt transfer to the mat. What this means is that this shingle, the new shingle, right here, is never going to adhere correctly. And the reason for that is because the glue strip, see how that has nothing under it? It's good. The glue strip right here has transferred to the shingle, which means that it's actually taken a lot of the asphalt and the glue with it to this shingle. So when we lay the new shingle down, it's never going to adhere correctly because the transfer obviously from this shingle to this shingle is going to prevent this one from sealing back down, which means that anytime there's a windstorm, they're just going to flip back and forth till they blow off too. We need to try to remove these nails here that pulled through the mat. I'm trying to hurry because it's fixing to start raining. I know you can't judge a roof if it's wet. So did I get them all? There's one more right here. There's that. Now let's get our new shingle. Get it under there. So they nailed this shingle and they nailed through the old shingle. So now I got to remove this nail real quick so the shingle will go under. Because if it doesn't, it'll get stuck. So I got to remove that nail. There we go. I think that was it. All right. So there we go. It's good. And as you can see, these shingles are already starting to crease. We do have new nails. We're not going to use the same nails that we had prior. We have 4 new nails. Brought an extra one just in case. And I'm going to use my trying to find the best way to position the phone. Maybe y'all can see me. Again, using the shingle bar. All right, so we've completed the repair, as you can see, but if you'll notice, every one of these are creased. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So crease, 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 crease. Now we've damaged 2 different shingles in order to repair one. It's exactly why we don't repair roofs that are over a certain lifespan, because they, and then return, compromise the rest of the entire roof. Trying to repair one shingle. So again, that's for the 2 different shingles. So this is one shingle, and then this was one shingle. But now we've damaged 2 different shingles right there to repair one shingle. Again, claim number 0689813617. Keith and Traci Meloni. And again, these will never seal. The asphalt strip was transferred to the other shingle. So there's no glue strip here anymore. So these are just gonna flip back and forth till they freaking blow off the roof.